Let's just clean all these dead flies off the old visor. So we're coming to you from the 100% Minimum Gym today, but we're not going to be here for long because it's not raining, which can only mean one thing: it's time to get out on the bike. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share all of my content with your friends and family. Now, I don't know if any of you guys have ever ridden a bike, or if you're avid bikers, or if you're scared of bikes, or if you've been on the back of a bike before. I love bikes. I love being a biker. I love riding my bike whenever I can. And when you're a biker, there's only two different types of weather: raining and summer. If it's not raining, it's summer. So originally, I was supposed to take a job working in central London. Now, I live out in the sticks in the Kent countryside. I don't like trains because they're full of smelly people and you always struggle to get a seat and you end up standing for ages. Commuting does not do it for me. So I had this fantastic idea. I'm going to get myself a motorbike. I didn't take the job in London, but I still got the motorbike. I've been for some incredible rides. I rode all the way through Belgium and France. I absolutely love it. So today you're going to get an insight into my life on a bike. Just what you want at high speeds. Driving along, everything's going fine. Obviously, I haven't had the bike out in a while, so probably should have done a few more checks. That is absolutely jammed. So now it seems I'm stuck in first gear. I'm going to have to ride the bike home back in first gear. Here's the problem. Because the bike's in first gear, it's not going to start because the bike's got to be in neutral. So I guess we're going to have to bump start this bad boy. Woo! Come on! You can do this! Can't stop, can't stop, can't stop. Nearly home, nearly home. Come on, move. Not the end to the bike ride that I was hoping for. Looks like I know how I'm spending the rest of my day today. I'm hoping it's going to be a nice, easy, quick fix. No idea why the clutch lever is jamming like that. Absolutely no idea. If you have a bike and you're clued up on the mechanical side of things, please drop me a comment. Would appreciate any help. I'm going to go fix my bike. If you've enjoyed watching my little adventure out today on the R1, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this content to all your friends, whether they're bikers or not.